What up, guys? It's DIY Arch. We're going to go over the 2009 Chevy Trailblazer where the fuse boxes are. You got one that's under the hood, and then you also got one that's in the back seat of the car. The one under the hood is pretty quick and easy to get to. First, you unclip this one. Then you unclip that one. Once you've unclipped them, just lift it off, and then you'll have all your fuses and relays that you'll need to have to replace if they go bad on you. You'll have all kind of numbers on here that'll tell you which one you'll need, so just get your manual and take a look at it. Now let's go look at the back one. All right, now we've gone to the back seat of the Trailblazer, and when you put your seat up, you're gonna see it right down there. Once you get over there, come over there. It might have a little bracket or whatnot. Just pull up on it. Once you pull up on it, you'll see your fuses in there, and then it'll also give you another chart on here. So there's one if yours isn't in your car. Watch that light, see if we there. That way that light don't get all up in the way. And that's the chart you'll need. Check it, replace it, then just go and put it right back together. And that's all you need to do. All right, guys, make sure you like, subscribe, hit the notifications. We're constantly giving tips. That way you guys can get on the road and not need a mechanic to do absolutely everything for you. All right, we out of here. Peace.